What's going on, everyone? Don't bother me. I'm with Ann, and she's a pro too. Let's check it out. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're checking out this Ann Pro 2 60% keyboard today. But if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews from a non-tech guy. Look, I'm no expert, I just use this stuff and I want to know if it works. As well as make sure to like the video, well, if you like the video. Now let's go ahead and jump into this Ann Pro 2. This is a 60% mechanical keyboard, and you know I love keyboards. And a big shout out to Banggood for sending this out to me. On their site, it's about $79.99. My usual go-to, Amazon, is selling these for $98.99. Come on, Amazon, you gotta do better. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this one from Banggood in the description below. So go ahead and check it out if you want. If not, check it out anyway. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's about.
All right, we have the Ann Pro 2. Let's go ahead and check out some info on the back here. Gives you some of the little options of it. Let's go ahead and pop it on open and see what's inside. All right, I have the little quick start guide. Let's go ahead and toss that. Wait, I might need that. Put that away for later. So let's go ahead and pop the keyboard out of this packaging here. At least it was kept fresh. Nice. All right, and here it is, the Ann Pro 2. We got our USB-C, nice solid plastic base. All right. What else do we have in the box? Goodies. What do we have here? Take it all out. Okay, so we have our USB Type-C cable here. So it's a standard USB to a USB Type-C. We have our keycap puller, so you can pop off some of these keycaps when we feel like it. And we have some replacement keycaps. Very colorful, very nice. Very nice, look like Legos. Put those over to the side. And on the bottom here we have our on-off switch. There we go, some rainbow RGB action. And here's some different RGB patterns it does. And you can program all these RGB patterns with the included software. Alright, so nice little gamut of colors it has. And we'll go ahead and pop off one of these keys. I opted for the Gateron Red. And here they are, but how do they sound? Let's find out. Okay, and here are the extra keys it comes with. So let's go ahead and pop one of them on here just to see how it looks. Nice and easy, very nice.
So this is a very nice keyboard, very sturdy feeling, has a lot of weight to it, which I like, because it feels like it's, oh, I hope I didn't break it. So it feels like it could really take a beating, because I type hard sometimes. For the price, definitely a pickup. And I do like the little addition, the little keys they provide, the little color, so you can keep it a little different than just solid white. Like I said, this is a great keyboard. It has the double shot PBT keycaps. It has all the RGB lighting you can think of. It has the software it comes with, so you can program the keyboard to however you like, however you want your keys to be, as well as however you want your RGB lights to be. Let me know what you think about it. We've reviewed quite a few keyboards, and this one's gonna go on the keyboard wall right now. But let me know what you thought about the Ann Pro 2. Is it something that you like? Did you like the other keyboards more? Is there any keyboards that you'd recommend? Let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to this device in the description below, as well as this. This is a wooden base that they sent me out as well. I'm going to try to put this on one of my keyboards that I have to put on my keyboard wall there. Definitely smells like wood. These usually go for about $47 on their site. I'll go ahead and link that as well. So if you want to see the finished product of how I slap a keyboard in here, go ahead and follow me on Instagram or Twitter, because that's where I'm going to post the finished pictures. Thanks for watching. My name's Don. Make sure to like the video if you like the video, and go ahead and smash that subscribe button for some more awesomeness. Till next time, let's go type.